threading the line through the eyes, all the way through, everyone. So there, the line's all threaded through every single eye. So we're going to select the medium-sized float. Here we are, which has got a little rubber band on, which will help secure to the line. And you can see a little hole in the float which we're going to thread the line through. And then this little rubber band holds it in place. Slide out the line. We'll set the depth to how deep you want the fish. So about that. And then we're going to tie a hook on. Be careful because they are sharp. So we thread that through. It's just a simple knotless knot, blood knot some people call it. So we just thread it through the eye like that, pinch it, and then give it 7 twists, and then I'm going to come back through with that tag end, just back through the loop like that. Pull that all down nice. I'm just going to test it in the water, and as you can see it floats perfectly. There we have it. Put some bait on and catch a fish.